Man, that looks crazy. Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we're gonna try to create some sparking tires for the Xmaxx. So I got these little flint rods, and now I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna attach them to the wheels. We attach all around, and I'm hoping that it's gonna work, and I'm hoping it will spark. So I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that. Alright, after messing around with some designs in a 3D printer, this is what I came up with. So the rod is gonna go right inside. And probably just throw some super glue or something, or some kind of glue. And then hopefully just attach it like that. And I'm hoping that's gonna work.
3 days later.
Here it is all put together, the sparking tires on the Xmaxx. Man, that looks crazy. Alright, so I did drive a little bit just to make sure this thing drives. Now we just gotta wait till it's dark time to see if this thing lights up or not. Alright, here we go. It finally got dark. Xmaxx sparking tires. Oh dang, dude, it works. Oh dang, dude. Okay, we're gonna pour some gas, see if it lights up. Smells good?
Yeah.
Dude, I think a couple of them flew out. Oh, dang. Oh, they did break. So they did fly out. Well, they're still inside though. Oh man, there's actually a couple of them. We did lose a couple. So, man, I should have made those little tabs a little bit stronger. Yeah, it looks like just the tabs. Yeah. Dude, almost all of them, the tabs are broken. Shoot, man. I know, we just lost a bunch. Oh, this wheel, dude, everything's going on the back wheels. So only the front ones have. Woo! So hard to land it. Yeah! That was a beautiful landing. I thought you would not make it.
I thought you would not.
I'm so disappointed that I didn't make the tabs bigger. Shoot, man. Well, that was a cool video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.